Know your rights before you sign. Hi, I'm Trevor Whittaker, real estate professional based in Cape Town. And today I want to speak directly to tenants across South Africa. If you're renting or about to sign a lease, this video might save you stress, it might save you time, and of course, it might save you money. Because when it comes to landlord pressure, tricky lease clauses, and deposit drama, too many people are being taken for a ride. Let's change that right now. Let me start with this. Once you sign a lease, it's legally binding, my friend. That document carries weight. If there's a clause you don't understand or something that feels off, don't just sign. Get clarity before you commit. Don't want to pay 3 months deposit? Then make the change on the lease to 2 months or 1 month's deposit before you sign. Once you sign, then it's a done deal. Because after the ink dries, it's legally enforceable, even if it feels unfair. Unless, of course, the law overrides it. Different story. So, ask questions, get explanations, and don't ever feel rushed or accosted into signing by a pushy landlord or a pushy agent. Don't let them do that to you. Now, here's what the law says you are entitled to as a tenant in South Africa. Number one, at least 20 business days notice if a landlord wants to cancel a month-to-month lease. Number two, peaceful use of the property, meaning no unannounced visits from anybody, including the agent. Number three, a signed written lease with clear terms. 4, a fair dispute process. What does that mean? Well, with the Rental Housing Tribunal, free of charge to you. These are your rights. Don't let anyone talk you out of them. One of the biggest frustrations, here we go, not getting your deposit back. Trevor, you hit the nail on the head right now. Okay, so here's the law on that. The landlord must, no choice, must inspect the property within 3 days of you moving out. If there's damage, they must list it clearly and deduct it only for legitimate repairs. What do you mean, Trevor? Well, here's what I mean. Fair wear and tear does not qualify as a legitimate repair. Now, if all is in order, though, they must return your deposit, including the accrued interest, within 7 days after you left the premises. If there are deductions, they still must return the balance within 14 days with a clear breakdown, a statement of how they arrived at the bottom line figure. In other words, no games, no ghosting, no, oh, we'll get back to you. And if they don't comply, you can open a case at the Rental Housing Tribunal, and it costs you nothing. But This action may cost the landlord and the agent a whole lot more. So here's the takeaway from this video. Don't sign anything until you understand everything. Number 2, stand firm on your legal rights. Number 3, and if you've been treated unfairly, you're not alone. I believe everyone, whether you rent, buy, or sell, deserves to be treated with dignity and respect. If you've got a question about your lease, your deposit, or your rights, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up when you subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more expert real estate insights from right here in Cape Town.